Alright, thanks for tuning in to Leading Forecast. I'm Swift Lead Forecaster Joseph Cooper, and I tell you what, an incredible day unfolding, or really has unfolded across the East Coast. Let's go on over tornado watches right now, posted all the way from Pennsylvania all the way down into northeastern Georgia right now, all across the East Coast. Really getting battered. There's been a lot of tornado reports. Some of those have been significant tornado reports. Let's get on over. This is the watch I wanted to show you. This is across North Carolina, North and South Carolina. This is a PDS tornado watch here. This goes until 9 p.m. Eastern, which is actually probably going to expire soon. You can see that tornado watch. And that's probably going to be allowed to kind of expire, or at least be moved over more towards this area here as we get into the next several hours. The good news is the threat is starting to move off coast. Let's go on over. High risk has been issued today, and this is very, very rare for this area, high risk. And you can see the high risk out across the mainly North Carolina, really getting into that high risk today, and 30% chance of tornadoes out there off into this area here. And we go on over to the Doppler radar, and we can pan on over. There are still tornado warnings in effect for Dare and Tyrell counties in North Carolina, as well as down towards Beaufort and Pamlico, I believe is the right word here, right pronunciation of that, in North Carolina. Some of these thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes, and so still not out of the clear yet, out into right on the coast of North Carolina. You still have another hour or two before this finally moves offshore, and but the good news is it will be ending very shortly. Here we go. These are the reports, and we will get on over let's zoom in on these reports here, and you can see last time I checked we had almost 90 tornado reports. Webcam issue there. 90 tornado reports out across this area here. Big time. They've done a great risk with the great job with the high risk today. And I tell you what, it's been a big tornado day. We've had over 200 tornadoes reported in the past 2 days, and we don't even average that in the month of April, I don't think. So, it's been crazy, been ridiculous out there over the past couple of days, So, it's unfortunate we had to have this, especially along the East Coast. Once you get so far east across, especially across the Mississippi River, you get into a much denser populated area than you do out across Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, where you normally see these kind of things. But with the La Nina pattern, I'm afraid we're going to see more of this, and more of the severe weather outbreaks this year east of the Mississippi, where it's going to be more heavily populated. Raleigh, North Carolina got hit really hard today, and a lot of bigger cities have been really nailed over the past few days, or past couple of days. So, we have another few hours, and this thing's finally going to work its way off the coast here. We have more behind it. I just wanted to kind of give a quick update on the severe weather situation that's going on here. That's all I have, and we'll be back, and we'll do here in a little bit the kind of the longer range outlook with some more severe weather in the forecast. So that's all I had for now. I'm Joseph Cooper. Have a great one. You can view this on SwiftChaseTeam.com as well as thedailyforecast.net. Have a great weekend.